Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you some questions from exercise 3.1 of chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. There is question number 4. If there are 7 sides in a polygon, it means n equals to 7. We have to find out the sum of interior angles of a polygon. I told you that there is a formula to find out sum of interior angles of a polygon, n minus 2 into 180. In place of n we will put 7 because number of sides are given 7. So n की place पर 7. 7 minus 2 5 into 180. 5 into 180 equals to 900. So this 900 is the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon with 7 sides. Now D part is given. In the same question there is a D part. If there are n sides in a polygon, if there are n sides, so formula is n minus 2 into 180. N sides means in place of n there will be n only, so the sum of interior angles will be equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree only, because n तो n है, n की प्लेस पर कोई नंबर तो है नहीं हमारे पास, तो इसलिए फॉर्मूले में भी n की प्लेस पर n ही होगा. सो n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now there is a pentagon given in question number 6 C part. A regular pentagon is given in which two of its exterior angles are given on the same straight line 70 degree and 60 degree. Two interior angles are given equal. There is one more interior angle 30 degree. We have to find out the value of x. You can see I have let a variable a just adjacent to 70 and b just adjacent to 60. On the straight line, adjacent angles form a linear pair which is equals to 180 degree. So this inside a and outside 70, sum of these two will be equals to 180 degree. A equals to 180 minus 70, which is equals to 110. Similarly, this b and 60 is making adjacent angles linear pair. So b and 60, sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree. So b will be equals to 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Now we will find out the sum of interior angles of this pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, so n की place पर 5. 5 minus 2 3. 3 into 180, which is equals to 540. So sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon is 540. So the interior angles of this pentagon are x, 30, a and b. Sum of all these 5, x, 30, a and b. Sum of all these 5 angles will be equals to 540 because interior angles का sum pentagon का 540 होता है. x plus x 2x plus 30. a की वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं 110. b we have calculated 120 equals to 540. 2x as it is. 30 plus 110 plus 120 equals to 260. 260 from left hand side moves to right hand side. It will be subtracted from 540, which is equals to 280. So 2x equals to 280, x equals to 280, and this 2 will come and divide. So x की value we have to calculate in the question, which is equals to 140 degree. This is how we have calculated x. Another question. I am taking one or two questions from exercise 3.2. Number of sides are given 9. Question number 2, first part. Number of sides are given 9. We have to find each exterior angle. So I told you a formula to find out each exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by number of sides. So number of sides are 9. We will put 9. 360 divided by 9 equals to 40 degree. It means each exterior angle of a polygon with n sides, it means 9 sides will be equals to 40 degree. Just reverse of this question. Question number 3. Now here each exterior angle is given 24. We have to find the number of sides. तो क्या हो जाएगा फॉर्मूले में, एक्सटीरियर एंगल और नंबर ऑफ साइड्स एक दूसरे की प्लेस पर इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल. तो number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is 24. 360 divided by 24 equals to 15. So there will be 15 sides in a polygon whose each exterior angle is 24 degree. Thank you.